Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today, if you cannot already tell, we're gonna turn into fucking Wednesday, bitches. That's right, this is a classic Wednesday Addams Halloween makeup and like kind of costume tutorial. So if you want to do something easy that you can kind of throw together probably with a lot of stuff that you already have at home, minimal makeup, no SFX, no special effects stuff, no body paint. It's really simple but still recognizable and classic costume. Wednesday is a great option to go with. I actually did Wednesday last year for Halloween. I was going to a Halloween party and wasn't planning on dressing up and kind of just like decided to do Wednesday last minute because one of my other friends was going as Morticia, and so I was like, oh my god, I'll be Wednesday. And then Gare was Cousin It. The easiest costume ever for Gare to be. But anyway, I didn't film that because like I said, it was last minute, but it's easy, and I got a lot of love on Instagram at the time, so I figured let me film it in case you guys are curious how I threw together the makeup and the costume. Everything's like DIY. You don't need to use a wig, but I'm wearing a wig. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoy the tutorial. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you're having a great Halloween so far. And let's get started. Now, before we get too ahead of ourselves, little Wednesday has some bloody red nail polish on, just like her mother. No, they don't wear black nail polish. They wear bloody red. So this is what we're gonna use. Plot twist. God damn it. There we go, yeah. Ta-da! Oh wait, Wednesday doesn't smile. Ta-da. She isn't really sassy either. She's more just straight up monotone, unaffected, unbothered. Anyway, we're gonna prime the surface. I'm gonna use this Benefit Professional primer. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Blur Liquid Foundation. I like to just smear it around all over my face with a brush first, and then I'll go in with the sponge and get rid of any brush strokes. Keep forgetting how full coverage this foundation is. I don't need as much, but I don't need that much. I squeezed out too much. Okay. It's been a while since I've filmed. I've been sick. I've missed it, and my brain is still a little in a fog, so don't mind me. You can just take a sponge and smooth everything out. And I like doing it this way because it's faster to just like slap the foundation on your face with a brush. You can also usually use a little less unless you squeeze out too much like I did. And then the benefit of the sponge at the end is just to smooth out the brush strokes and give it that really nice airbrushed look. Because Wednesday was airbrushed, you guys. She was, what was she, like 12? Now normally next step I would do is concealer, but I'm not gonna do concealer because Wednesday is a very tired looking and depressed child and she had dark circles, bitch. I will contour a little bit though. Contouring with the Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick in Blaze. You might be asking yourself, why do you want to be Wednesday for Halloween? Wasn't she like 5? Why don't you be Morticia, bitch? And you know, I could be Morticia. But I used to be Morticia when I was younger, like many years in a row. It started out as like, you know, I was an M&M, I think, at one point, and then a pink Power Ranger, and then Catwoman, and then as the costume started to get darker, then I just alternated being Morticia or a witch like every other year. And when you're younger, you always want to kind of be like old, you want to dress older, you want to be older. So once you become 300 years old like myself, you want to, you know, be a younger person for Halloween. So I'm gonna be fucking Wednesday, bitch. So your base for Wednesday is going to be a lot like your normal base, you know, however you normally would contour your nose so that it's flattering for you and that you like how it looks. You know, just do that. Just going to go in with my RCMA No Color powder. Gently dust that all over the face. It's okay if it looks like it's lightening your contour a little bit because we're going to go in with powder anyway. Let's move on to brows, shall we? I'm going to take a dark brown my brain literally stopped working. Dark brown brow gel. I was like, okay. Dark brown brow gel, okay? If it's not focused on me, so help me. The straighter your brows, the more young you're gonna look. That's what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna try to do like a straighter brow. My brows are already very arched, but we need to try and make them straight. Okay, wow. When you're used to like really drawing arched, curved eyebrows, drawing straight ones is hard as fuck. Let's just set those brows in place with a little black mascara. Moving on to powder contour now, I'm gonna grab the Lunatick Cosmetics contour book. Since it's a Halloween look, throw on a little extra contour. Even though Wednesday was a child and she had like kind of like a cute child's chubby face, you still want to look like theatrical and like a recognizable, you know, Halloween costume. So see, I'm going pretty low right there. It makes my face look very sunken in. It's almost like Wednesday was always kind of scowling. So I'm gonna contour a little bit under my brows as well. Okay, so the eyeshadow is gonna be really simple. Wednesday, a child, did not wear eyeshadow. So the concept of a Wednesday Addams makeup tutorial is a little silly, but she had her eyes looked very heavy. So we're gonna use the contour book again. And let's grab a Flurby brush. Let's just start out with this shade right here. We're gonna put that on the upper portion of the crease. Oh, there's red on this fucking brush. No big deal, no big deal, kids. Just grab your foundation brush and put that on your eyelids. Just pretend like that never happened. So I'm gonna take this color right here, this dark brown from the contour book, and we're gonna put that up here on the upper part of like where the crease is. And this is gonna create a nice shadow right there in the crease area. We're gonna go around and put that under as well. Make sure that your edges are very blended out. We don't want this to look like a smoky eye or like makeup. You want it to look natural, like this color is coming from your skin, like you're naturally disgusting. Build up a little bit here on the bags. Can't believe I'm saying that. Darken up those bags a little bit, yes. Come through, bags. I'm taking this shade right here from the Shade Light palette on a very tiny brush, and we're gonna put that right here in this like little crease. Not up against the lash line, it's like right under it. See that? And then blend. This way we get kind of like that squinty look under the eyes. Gonna take that same dark brown color just in the crease. Next, I'm just taking a teensy bit of this color right here. Gently put that at the base of the lashes, just so we have like a little bit of something on the lid, a little like redness to it, so it'll kind of look like skin. Next, I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes and pop on some mascara. Make sure to get the top and bottom lashes. Don't go too crazy. We don't want to look clumpy. We don't need to try and look glam. Would the real Wednesday wear blush? Probably not, but we need a little something to look a little bit more youthful. So I'm gonna take this blush right here, get a teensy bit right there on the apples of my cheeks. It's very doubtful that Wednesday had any sort of highlight action going on, but I need to have a little something, teensy bit, teens. Just so that like when you're out, you have a little dimension to your face. You don't want to look totally flat, because all of that, you know, matte powder and foundation and everything can really take away from your skin. We're just putting a little back. I feel like I've never put on as little highlighter as I am right now. Oh, I can't. Let's lock it all in with a little setting spray. She has pretty pale lips, pretty natural. I mean, you could probably just go out with your fucking nasty ass foundation lips, but I'm gonna do this Wet n Wild Mega Cat Suit. Wet n Wild, whatever. Mega Last Liquid Cat Suit in Nudie Patootie. Could Wednesday wear a lash, do you think? I really want to put on a lash. I don't think so. I don't think so, you guys. It looks too glamorous with a lash. But hey, it's up to you. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Anyways, I'm gonna do a quick wardrobe change and grab my wig, and I'll be right back. Never mind the cat hair. So this is just an old skirt that I had lying around, just a plain old like black A-line skirt. And then this top, just a crop top, like a stretchy crop top with sheer arms. And as you can see, the collar and the cuffs are from a dress shirt that I got at Goodwill. Just chopped them off and they work perfectly. Now time for Wednesday's iconic braids. I'm gonna use this shitty wig that I've got. This is a very cheap wig from eBay. The hairline is a little weird, but don't worry about that. We're gonna fix it in a minute. First, we're gonna do the braids. These are just like mini hair ties. See that? Little mini rubber band hair ties. I'm gonna section off the hair into 2 portions here and separate 2 and 3 sections of hair. Dude, this wig is so knotted. Might be easier for you to do this like with the wig on a wig stand or something like that. I'm just winging it and gonna do it while it's on. Okay, there we go. One braid is done. Let's do the other one. Wow. It's not as easy as those Instagram videos make it seem. Now what you could do if you want, this is an optional step. Oh shit. You can cut this part if you want. I kind of like how it's tight and it's up there and it's very Wednesday Addams looking, so I'm gonna leave it. Lil Wednesday has a widow's peak and I do not, so I have to draw one in. We're going to take a black pencil. Mark where your widow's peak should be, people. Try to keep it in the center. You know, you don't want to have like a wonky widow's peak. And then just color that sucker in. It's a lot like winged liner. You just keep making it bigger and bigger and bigger because it's never symmetrical. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Plunge. I just want a little bit of an ombre effect where it's kind of darker on the inside of my lips right there. And here we have my take on Wednesday Addams. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Wednesday also had her little poison bottle that she carried around with her. You know what I have? I feel like this would be cuter, right? You could carry this around, actually put a drink in there. I used this last year. It's just a bottle from the 99-cent store that I spray painted and then put white nail polish on. And I think I actually did fill it up with vodka. Let's see if there's any left. It smells like vodka and spray paint. Anyway, super easy Halloween costume. It's iconic, it's recognizable. You could probably throw together with stuff that you already have or stuff that you can easily get from the mall or Goodwill. I mean, this is it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.